Hello everyone, I'm Sir Jess and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to continue our discussion on um, chain rule of differentiation. So we are now in example number 4. So if you want to go back or to watch the videos or previous videos about this, about chain rule of differentiation, pwede nyo pong balikan yan sa ating pong channel. Alright, so again, for you to have background about chain rule of differentiation, okay, para sa mga beginner po or sa hindi pa masyadong alam kung ano ba ang chain rule. So, when you say chain rule, sabihin niyan, we have dy over dx, which is equal to dy times du. Alright? So, kung meron tayong parang basket, yung nasa labas na to, na nakikita ninyo, yan yung ating dy, and yung nasa loob ng basket, yan yung ating du. Okay? So, kadalasan itong nangyayari or ginagamit kapag meron tayong parenthesis, na kung saan meron tayong term sa loob ng quantity or parenthesis. Okay? So, in this case, we have y equals quantity 3x minus 2 times quantity 5x plus 4 squared. So, as you can see, meron tayong first term na 3x minus 2 at meron tayong second term which is 5x plus 4 squared. Okay? So, that means ang operation nito ay multiplication. And we're going to use now product rule. Okay? So, ano ba sabi sa product rule? If you are going to derive u times v, you have u dv plus v du. Okay, ano sabihin nun? Copy the first term and then derive the second term. Tapos plus copy the second term and then derive the first term. So, kung gagawin natin yan, we have u, which is 3x minus 2, times yung dv natin. No? So, we're going to derive yung ating v, which is 5x plus 4 squared, plus yung ating v, copy natin, 5x plus 4 squared. Then, we're going to derive our u, which is 3x minus 2. Okay? Now, dito na papasok yung ating tinatawag na chain rule. Bakit? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo po, dito po sa ating pong pangalawang term, no, ito yung we're going to derive yung v, meron siyang exponent na 2. So, meron tayong term sa loob nun. Okay? So, kung ang u natin is kung ang u natin is 3x minus 2, that means our du would become 3. Okay, bakit? Dahil nga po yung expo natin sa ating pong basic rule ay magiging 1, tapos itong 2 naman or negative 2 would become 0. Diba? So, 3 times 1, that is 3, and then 0 na yung sunod. Okay. Ano naman yung ating v? So, ang ating v dito ay 5x plus 4 squared, and yung dv natin, okay, i-derive na po natin itong 5x plus 4 squared. Okay? So, paano natin ito ma-derive? Okay, gaya nga sabi ko, we can apply the chain rule here. Kasi meron tayong exponent, and at the same time, meron tayong term sa loob ng quantity. Ito yung ating du na tutukoy. Now, ang una natin gagawin ay we're going to derive first yung outside. Okay, so yung outside na tutukoy natin yan yung tinatawag nating dy. So in this case, yung dy natin would become ang dy natin ay ito, yung nasa labas na expression. So, if we're going to get the derivative of that, you have 2 times 5x plus 4 raised to 2 minus 1. Parang ganyan, di ba? Okay, so you have 2, kasi 2 minus 1, yun na rin lang siya. So, 1, or kahit hindi natin isulat. So, that means you have 2 times 5x, that is 10x, plus 2 times 4, that is 8. dy pa lang natin yan. And alam natin, kailangan mahanap natin yung du. Ang du natin ay itong nasa loob nito. No? Iyon yung 5x plus 4. So, ang du daw po ng 5x plus 4 is syempre 5 na lang. Okay? Bakit? Kasi nga po, ang x po natin ay magiging 1, ang 4 naman magiging 0, no? So, 5 na lang. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung ating dy at nakuha na natin yung ating du. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, i-multiply lang natin. So, we have, yung dy natin is 10x plus 8 times natin sa du, which is 5. So, that would give us 5 times 10x, that is 50x, plus 8 times 5, that is 40. So, yun yung ating dv. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa ating product rule. We have 3x minus 2. And kuha natin yung derivative nitong ating v, or yung ating dv, which is 50x plus 40. Ilagay natin dito. 50x plus 40. Plus, copy natin ito. We have 5x plus 4 squared. And then, i-derive natin daw yung ating du. So, ang du natin 3. Now, let's simplify this expression. Okay, pwede nyo po itong gamitan ng FOIL method. Or pwede rin naman yung traditional na way of multiplication. So, we have 3x minus 2. Multiply natin sa 50x plus 40. So, this will give us 50x times 3x, that is 150x squared minus 50x times 2, that is 100x, plus 40 times 3x, that would give us 120x, then minus, kasi positive 40 minus 2, or positive 40 times negative 2, that is negative 80. Okay? So, we have 150x squared, negative 100x plus 120x, that is plus 20x na lang, minus 80. Alright? Now, yung isa naman, we have 5x plus 4 squared. So, ang 5x plus 4, natin sulat yan. Okay, sulat ko na nga. 150x squared plus 20x minus 80 plus, naman tayo, x plus 4. So, we know na 5x plus 4 squared is also equal to 5x plus 4 times 5x plus 4. Okay? So, pwede nyo pong gawin ulit yung FOIL method kung doon kayo sanay. Or, yung ating pong direct way, or yung ating, kumbaga, trick dito ay yung ating perfect binomial expression, no? Na kung saan, if we have quantity 5x plus 4 squared, gawin natin, we will just get the square of the first term, and then square the second term, tapos, to get the middle term, i-multiply nyo lang yung first term, at saka yung second term, and then multiply it by 2. So, paano yon? So, mangyayari parang ganito. So, square the first term, you have 5x squared. And then square the second term, so you have 4 squared. Tapos, to get the middle term, so, para makakuha ang middle term, kailangan natin i-multiply ang first term at saka second term. So, you have 5x times 4, that is 20x. And then multiply it by 2, or double it would become 40x. Okay? So, 5x squared is 25x squared plus 40x plus 4 times 4, that is 16. Okay, so lagyan natin dito. We have 25x squared plus 40x plus 16. And then multiply natin sa 3. So, this would give us 3 times 25, that is 75x squared, plus 40x times 3, that is 120x, plus 16 times 3, that is 48. So, add natin sila. We have 150x squared plus 75x squared. That is 225. Tama ba? Yeah, 225x squared. Then, 20x plus 120x is 140x. And negative 80 plus 48, that would become negative 32. Tama? Okay. So, this is your final answer.